Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Hello, savvy drivers and emergency-ready enthusiasts. Dealing with a punctured tire can be a road trip nightmare, but Tire Sealant Kits offer a quick fix. In this ultimate guide, we're delving into Tire Sealant Kits designed for emergency punctured tire repair. Join us as we explore their features, benefits, and how these kits can be a lifesaver during unexpected tire mishaps. Are you prepared for unexpected flat tires? In this video, we will explore the benefits of Tire Sealant Kits for emergency punctured tire repair. Discover how these kits can provide a quick and easy solution to get you back on the road in no time. Whether you're a frequent traveler or simply want to be prepared for emergencies, Tire Sealant Kits offer a convenient and reliable way to handle unexpected flat tires. Let's look into the details of these handy kits and how they can make a difference in emergency situations. Understanding Tire Sealant Kits and how they work. Tire Sealant Kits work by swiftly sealing and inflating a punctured tire, allowing the driver to continue driving to a safe location for a permanent repair. When the sealant is injected into the tire through the valve stem, it spreads evenly to seal any punctures. The pressure inside the tire forces the sealant into the puncture, effectively sealing it off. Types of Tire Sealant Kits. Inflator Sealant Kits. These kits combine a sealant with a portable air compressor, allowing for inflation of the tire alongside sealing the puncture. They are convenient and suitable for use in emergencies. Canister Sealant Kits. Canister sealant kits contain a sealant in a pressurized canister, which is injected into the tire through the valve stem. This type of kit is easy to use and effective for sealing punctures. Tire Sealant Kits vary in terms of their application, packaging, and compatibility with different tire sizes. Understanding the working mechanism and the different types of Tire Sealant Kits can help motorists make an informed decision when selecting the right kit for their vehicle's needs. Advantages of using Tire Sealant Kits. Using Tire Sealant Kits offers various advantages that make them an essential addition to any vehicle's emergency toolkit. The following subsections detail the key benefits of utilizing Tire Sealant Kits for emergency punctured tire repair. Immediate temporary fix. Tire Sealant Kits provide an immediate temporary solution to a punctured tire, allowing you to continue your journey without having to change the tire or wait for assistance. This quick fix can save time and inconvenience, especially in urgent situations. Versatility. These kits are suitable for use with different types of tires, including those on cars, motorcycles, bicycles, and other small vehicles. The versatility of Tire Sealant Kits makes them a practical and cost-effective option for addressing tire punctures across various modes of transportation. Easy application. The application of Tire Sealant Kits is straightforward, often requiring minimal effort and no specialized skills. With easy-to-follow instructions and user-friendly components, these kits enable quick and hassle-free tire repair even for individuals with limited mechanical knowledge. Compact and portable. Tire Sealant Kits are compact and portable, designed to fit easily into the trunk or storage space of a vehicle. Their convenient size and lightweight nature make them an ideal solution for on-the-go tire repair, ensuring that you can carry them without adding significant bulk or weight. Temporary pressure maintenance. In addition to sealing punctures, these kits can help to temporarily maintain tire pressure, allowing you to drive to a safer location or a nearby service center for a more permanent repair. This temporary pressure maintenance feature adds an extra layer of convenience and safety in emergencies. Limitations of Tire Sealant Kits. Effectiveness on larger punctures. Tire Sealant Kits are effective for repairing small punctures caused by nails or screws. However, it's important to note that they may not be as effective for larger punctures such as those caused by sharp objects or damage to the tire sidewall. In such cases, a Tire Sealant Kit may only provide a temporary solution, and the tire may still require professional repair or replacement. Tire Pressure Monitoring Systems, TPMS, interference. Some tire sealant formulas can interfere with tire pressure monitoring systems, TPMS, sensors, leading to inaccurate pressure readings or sensor malfunctions. This could potentially mask underlying tire issues or confuse the actual tire pressure, compromising safety on the road. Temporary fix. While Tire Sealant Kits can offer a quick fix for minor punctures, it's important to understand that they are not a permanent solution. The tire sealant is meant to provide a temporary repair to allow the driver to reach a service station for professional tire service. It's crucial to address the underlying cause of the puncture and have the tire properly inspected and repaired by a qualified professional. Compatibility with tire types. Not all Tire Sealant Kits are suitable for use with all types of tires. Some may not be recommended for use with certain tire constructions, such as run-flat tires or tires with specific performance features. It's essential to check the compatibility of the sealant with your vehicle's tires to ensure it will be effective in case of a puncture. Cleanup and tire repair. After using a tire sealant kit, the tire and wheel will need to be thoroughly cleaned, and the puncture repaired by a professional. Tire sealant can leave a sticky residue inside the tire, which may complicate the repair process. Additionally, some tire sealant formulas can corrode the tire rims if left in the tire for an extended period. Hey there! If you like this topic, drop a comment below. A thumbs up if it's hitting the spot, and don't forget to share with friends who might dig this, and hit that subscribe button for more. Let's continue. Environmental impact. Tire sealant kits contain chemicals that can be harmful to the environment if not handled and disposed of properly. It's important to follow the manufacturer's instructions for the safe use and disposal of the sealant to minimize the environmental impact. How to use a tire sealant kit. Step-by-step instructions. Using a tire sealant kit can be a lifesaver in the event of a punctured tire. Follow these steps. Preparation. Park in a safe location and turn off the engine. Engage the parking brake and place wheel chocks to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Wear gloves and eye protection to avoid contact with the sealant. Remove the object. If there's a foreign object lodged in the tire, carefully remove it to prevent further damage. Attach the sealant hose. Connect the sealant hose to the tire valve stem, ensuring a secure fit. 4. Inject the sealant. Follow the instructions on the sealant kit to inject the appropriate amount of sealant into the tire. Inflate the tire. Use the kit's compressor to inflate the tire to the recommended pressure. Drive the vehicle. After using the sealant, drive the vehicle for a short distance to allow the sealant to distribute evenly inside the tire. Safety precautions. When using a tire sealant kit, it's crucial to keep these safety precautions in mind. Ventilation. Use the sealant in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhaling any fumes. Avoid open flames. Keep the sealant away from open flames or sources of ignition. Professional inspection. After using the sealant, seek professional inspection and repair of the tire as soon as possible. Remember to always read the instructions provided with the specific tire sealant kit for detailed guidance on usage and safety measures. Factors to consider when choosing a tire sealant kit. Compatibility with tire types. When selecting a tire sealant kit for emergency punctured tire repair, it's vital to consider the compatibility with the tire types. Different vehicles have varying tire specifications, such as size and pressure. Ensure that the sealant is suitable for the specific tire types on your vehicle, including standard tires, low-profile tires, and run-flat tires. Additionally, some sealants are formulated for specific tire materials, such as rubber or synthetic compounds, so it's essential to choose a kit that aligns with your tire composition. Sealant effectiveness. The effectiveness of the sealant is a crucial factor to assess when choosing a tire sealant kit. Look for a product that offers reliable and durable puncture sealing capabilities. The sealant should efficiently patch up punctures caused by nails, screws, or other sharp objects, providing a temporary solution to get you back on the road. Consider user reviews and independent tests to gauge the effectiveness of the sealant in real-world scenarios. Storage and shelf life. Another aspect to consider is the storage and shelf life of the tire sealant kit. Opt for a kit with a longer shelf life, as this ensures that the sealant remains viable for an extended period, ready for use when needed. Additionally, assess the storage requirements, such as temperature restrictions and container durability. A well-packaged sealant with proper storage guidelines can maintain its potency and be readily available for emergency tire repairs. By taking into account the compatibility with tire types, sealant effectiveness, and storage and shelf life, you can make an informed decision when selecting a tire sealant kit for emergency punctured tire repair. Remember, when choosing a tire sealant kit, it's essential to consider factors such as ease of use, compatibility with different tire types, and the speed at which it can repair punctures. These top products offer a combination of convenience, reliability, and performance, making them essential additions to any vehicle's emergency preparedness kit. Tips for proper maintenance of tire sealant kits. Check expiry date. Be sure to monitor the expiration date of your tire sealant kit. Most sealants have a shelf life of 3–5 years, and using an expired product could result in an ineffective seal. Regular inspection. Inspect the sealant canister for any signs of damage or leakage. Ensure that the sealant hose and nozzle are secure and free from blockages. Proper storage. Store the tire sealant kit in a cool, dry place and avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures. This helps maintain the integrity of the sealant and prevents deterioration. Follow manufacturer guidelines. Always adhere to the manufacturer's guidelines for the usage and maintenance of the tire sealant kit. This may include specific instructions for storage, recommended usage intervals, and tips for prolonging the shelf life of the product. Test functionality. Periodically test the functionality of the tire sealant kit by following the instructions for a practice run. This ensures that the kit is in working condition when an emergency arises. Professional inspection. Consider having a professional auto technician inspect the tire sealant kit during routine vehicle maintenance to ensure it is in optimal condition and ready for use in case of a punctured tire. Additional tools for emergency punctured tire repair. When dealing with a punctured tire, having the necessary tools at your disposal can make a significant difference in efficiently resolving the issue and getting back on the road. In addition to tire sealant kits, several other essential tools aid in emergency punctured tire repair. Portable air compressor. A portable air compressor is a vital tool for reinflating the tire once the puncture has been sealed. It allows you to quickly and conveniently refill the tire to the recommended air pressure, enabling you to continue your journey safely. Tire pressure gauge. A tire pressure gauge is indispensable for checking the pressure of the repaired tire. It ensures that the tire has been inflated to the correct pressure, promoting optimal driving conditions and preventing further damage. Gloves and hand wipes. Handling a punctured tire can be dirty work. Gloves and hand wipes are essential for keeping your hands clean and protected while undertaking tire repair, especially when applying sealant or handling greasy components. Lug wrench and jack. In the event of a flat tire, a lug wrench and jack are crucial for removing the flat tire and installing the spare. These tools are indispensable for the physical aspect of tire replacement and should be readily accessible in your vehicle. Flashlight. Having a reliable flashlight is imperative, especially if you encounter a puncture during nighttime or in low light conditions. It enables you to clearly see the tire and its surroundings, ensuring accurate assessment and repair of the puncture. Tire iron. A tire iron or tire spoon is necessary for prying the tire from the wheel rim in case of heavy damage or severe punctures. This tool provides leverage to separate the tire from the rim, facilitating the application of sealant or the installation of a tire plug. Reflective triangle or flares. In the case of a tire emergency on the road, a reflective triangle or flares can enhance safety by warning other drivers of your presence. Promptly deploying these warning signals can help prevent accidents and ensure the safety of everyone involved. Tarp or mat. Having a tarp or mat on hand can provide a clean and comfortable surface for kneeling or sitting while working on the tire. It also protects your clothing and the ground from dirt or lubricants during the repair process. These additional tools complement the tire sealant kit and play a crucial role in facilitating effective emergency punctured tire repair. By ensuring that your vehicle is equipped with these essentials, you can be better prepared to handle unforeseen tire issues and maintain safety on the road. DIY tire sealant recipe for emergency use. When you find yourself in a situation where your tire is punctured and a quick fix is necessary, having a DIY tire sealant on hand can be a lifesaver. Creating your tire sealant not only saves time and money, but also empowers you to tackle unexpected emergencies with confidence. Ingredients for DIY tire sealant. To create your DIY tire sealant, you will need the following ingredients. 1 cup of latex glue, 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of liquid dish soap. Stir stick or whisk. Sealant injector or squeeze bottle. Mixing the DIY sealant. Begin by combining the latex glue and water in a clean container. Stir the mixture thoroughly until it reaches a consistent texture. Add the liquid dish soap to the mixture and continue stirring until it is well blended. Applying the DIY tire sealant. Once your DIY tire sealant is mixed, it's ready to be applied to the punctured tire. Using a sealant injector or squeeze bottle, carefully insert the sealant into the tire through the valve stem. After applying the sealant, drive the vehicle for a short distance to allow the sealant to disperse evenly inside the tire. In emergencies, this DIY tire sealant recipe can provide a temporary solution to fix a punctured tire, allowing you to reach a safer location for further repair or replacement. In conclusion, tire sealant kits are an essential tool for addressing punctured tires during emergencies. Their ease of use, effectiveness in sealing punctures, and ability to prevent further air loss make them a valuable addition to any vehicle's emergency kit. By investing in a high-quality tire sealant kit, you can save time and effort when dealing with unexpected tire punctures, ensuring a safer and more convenient driving experience. Make sure to check the compatibility of the sealant with your vehicle's tires and follow the instructions provided for the best results. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.